Hi there, we're taking a look at the Chapter 6 Pennies assignment. And in this assignment, the instructions are going to ask you to use the solver. So I'm going to scroll down until I see that step. It's step L. There it is. Select B10 and then click the data tab and then click the solver in the analyze group. And this particular assignment assumes that you've already read all of Chapter 6. In the actual reading for Chapter 6, it explains what the solver is, why it's useful, why we would want to use it, and it walks you through the steps for adding the solver to Excel. And so because this assignment assumes you've already read the chapter, that's why they don't explain it to you. So let's walk through those steps together. In Excel, we're going to click File and Options. When that loads, when that loads on the screen, here it is. We're at the left-hand side, we're going to click Add-ins. And there's lots of different kinds of add-ins. You can explore them on your own. Down at the bottom where it says Excel Add-ins, you can click Go. So forgive my screen, I have a little error message there. It's only because I'm off campus and I'm using a campus machine. You click Go and the next window that you'll see is this window. So click to turn on the check mark for the solver. You want to add the solver. Click OK, and then you'll have to click OK again, and you'll come back here to Excel. When you're back in Excel, click the Data tab, and way over on the right-hand side, you'll now see the solver. It'll be there ready for you to use. Now, if the solver is a publicly available add-on, so the only trouble that you might have is if you're using a Macintosh, and if you're using a Macintosh, then you and I have already corresponded because there's other hiccups that we've hit along the way. But if you have any trouble at all loading the solver, just email me and let me know.